Shanghai Leadworld Machinery Technology is a manufacturer for the whole production line for canned food including fruits canned, vegetable canned, meat and sauces, tomato sauce, peach, mushroom, orange juice, fruit jam, Arab dates, luncheon meat are some of the products that is using our processing and packaging machinery. Our satisfied customers that are using our machinery and services are from all over the world, such as USA, Qatar, Spain, Italy, Argentina, Canada, Malaysia, Australia, Switzerland, India, United Arab Emirates, Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Brazil, Algeria, Netherlands. Our proud machinery design follow the FDA standard for safety reasons, easy cleaning with no dead angle, mechanization, intelligence. Each of our customers has different requirements for their business plan and market. Therefore, Leadworld flexibility to offer professional solution and manufacturing affordable machinery make us different from other suppliers. Our technical and electrical engineering are working closely with our sales team to serve our customers in understanding better, as we believe that our success is measured by our customers' success. There are 3 different sectors of our machinery design: fresh fruits and vegetable processing line, packaging line for bottle washing, filling, capping, labeling, carton packing and palletizer, customized order design. All of our machine is certified with SGS, ISO 9001 and CE.